BikeCon. Are you really enjoying? How is your BikeCon experience so far?
Well, this is my first time, and it's amazing! Thank you!
You have so many fans. So including this one here. Alan, how much of a fan are you of Sheryl Lee?
Nung dati fan ako, nung pina-challenge ka sa akin, uuwi na ako. Diyos ko, naloka. Hindi ko na kaya, Day. Uy, pero kabakbak, ihapon mo na ako, ha?
I love it. This is gonna be so fun.
Alright, now Sharon, Ellen, welcome to our Mikey Oki Challenge. If you guys are ready to belt your best, here are the mechanics.
Excited now, lahat. Let's start our Mikey Oki Challenge. And let's have our first song in 3, 2, 1, randomizer. Okay, you know that song? Okay, Alam, ikaw muna.
Halloween, hello. Stop it! Halloween, hello. Kailangan maglakasan ng mic ko para may sabotage. Charot.
Ala, nalagi siya attitude problem. Wala na. Problem.
Dogs, wait sa...
Mariah fans, all you family.
Sige, go.
Okay, so the first song is Alone. Hard. So Alan, you go first. Ready, set, beat it. Oh my gosh, yeah, I got goosebumps. Okay.
Ayoko na.
No.
Bye, guys.
It's time for the crystal voice of Incha to sing alone.
The same song.
Same song. And you have to beat it. Friendly competition lang. Friendly. Okay? Sharon, ready, set, beat it.
Alright.
There's 2 more songs. The randomizer will choose the next song now. So, ready, set, let's not wait any longer. 3, 2, 1, what's the next song? The song is Totally Curse of the Heart.
Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking puso.
job.
Wala
Thank
na
you,
sa
Ale.
Diyos.
Okay, Sharon.
Hello.
Are you ready to sing some AGs?
Ale ba? Wala akong kasalanan.
Crystal Voice of Asia, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Beat it!
Mag-shine.
Galing! Mga militeros kayo. Militeras kayo.
I want to see your reactions, guys. Hearts?
Hearts, hands, let's see.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
See you, hearts.
We have one more song for this Mikey Oakley challenge. Okay, so this goes all out. This is for all the marbles, the likes, the hearts. Are you ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. The third song, Randomizer.
You know what, guys? I am really a big fan of Shireen Reyes. As a matter of fact, nung okay pa yung boses ko before, I would like to thank you for the inspiration that you have given to all the aspiring singers out there. Although hindi na talaga ako sa singing, I'm into acting and performing na talaga, but I know that you have let a lot of stars shine on English.